Walking hand in hand between her mother and her partner, Elizabeth Holmes' latest grilling in court would spill outside through a waiting media scrum.
Do you have any reaction to your guilty verdicts here?
Holmes had been found guilty on 4 charges relating to her conduct as chief executive of a blood testing startup, Theranos. It claimed to have machines that could run a range of tests using a simple finger prick, attracting investments that boosted the firm's value to over $12 billion. But a Wall Street Journal investigation later found the claims were false, causing Theranos to fold and Holmes to be put on trial.
The guilty verdicts in this case reflect Ms. Holmes' culpability in this large-scale investor fraud, and she must now face sentencing for her crimes.
While convicted of wire fraud and conspiracy to commit fraud against investors, she was found not guilty on 4 charges relating to defrauding the public. The jury was also unable to reach consensus on another 3 counts.
A mixed verdict shows that the jury really considered all the evidence. It won't necessarily make a difference at sentencing that she was convicted on only 4 of the counts if they can prove that the other conduct was relevant conduct for the purposes of sentencing.
Holmes could face up to 20 years jail for each count. While analysts believe she's unlikely to receive the maximum sentence, the case has exposed a culture of hubris and hype in Silicon Valley that must be reined in.
It's a wake-up call to Silicon Valley or to anybody out there, any business owner out there who makes statements that are misrepresentations or false or fraudulent. They need to be very careful about what they say to people, make sure that it's truthful and they can back it up.
A date for sentencing hasn't been confirmed, but a further hearing is scheduled next week. Manny Tsigas, ABC News.